Hi, today's problem 2099. Find the subsequence of length k with the largest sum. Give me a few seconds to read it. So I have an idea to use a heap or priority queue, and while I go through the nums, I'm gonna add whatever number of nums I have there, and because like in the sum the order doesn't matter, I will add. So generally speaking, I can keep just k elements and have a max heap or like min heap. Min heap with k elements. So if I go, so I need to maintain k maximum out of sequence. Whenever I see the new number, I wanna add the number to the heap, and then I wanna, if the heap is already of size k minus k plus 1, I wanna remove the minimum of this. And like having this window, I will be able to having the traverse the array and one by one, and applying the strategy will give me the answer. So I'll go the priority queue integer pq equals new. And then I'm gonna pass the lambda function num1, num2, and I wanna hit integer. I wanna -1, so I wanna. No, actually I wanna this one. So this is gonna be min heap, and for int for num. So I wanna also save the order somehow. Okay. So I wanna save the order, so that's why I'm gonna have the indexes as a first element of the array gonna be the value itself. The second one gonna be the index. So the value itself, I'm gonna compare value itself with other value 0 for num. Let's say for int I. if PQ size is gonna be greater than K, I'm gonna do the following. I'm gonna PQ poll, and then the final round for int I equals 0. Let's say while PQ and then I'm gonna create the output array, and then I'm gonna save a output a1 equals a0, then I return output. Hmm. Hmm. So I saved the indexes and it's kind of relative order. So I just will fill it up. So basically, I I need somehow to save the order of these elements in the queue and do that in one operation, basically. So current problem is that we have indexes that are in the original array saved there, and that's why they are out of the bounds for the output array. Mm. Should we save the order there? 3, 3, minus 3, 3, 4, 3, 4, 4, 3. Definitely, I can kind of save it in array, then sort it by the indexes, and then go one by one. But because I'm saving it that into array, I am and sorting it after, I don't like that solution. How about doing that on the fly? Um, so we're gonna populate the, but again, I need to shift the output array. So let's say I see a new maximum. It means some element in the middle should be evicted, and in order to for that element to evict, I need remove that element and move the array to the left, and that's also not good. Oh, if I just sort them, like create this array, sort them with indexes, and take whatever first three elements, and then sort it back. And yeah, it's kind of so I can, yeah, so I can do this proxy sort output in K2 K-poll. And now I wanna sort by the index. And then int output. Yeah, not that particularly happy with this solution because of the sorting. Can I do better? The whole problem is with this in saving the sequence in a min heap. I can do the tricks with linked list probably, but again, when I gonna sort it in priority queue, I need to know the relative order between the new element and the other elements. So polling node is fine. So I can like get the whatever the minimum there and remove it from the linked list, from double linked list. But offering this one, I need to know like what's that what's that element order, and I don't know that in a priority based on the priority queue. If I'm gonna do something simple like nums and then let me check the time. So it's 20th minute. If I do the nums some kind of counting sort, so the time complexity of this algorithm. So every time I gonna add to the I gonna poll whatever here, uh, remove from the top element from the priority queue. It's log k, and then we need to offer, so it also log k. And we need to do that for an element, so it's where is n is number of so n log k should be the time complexity plus in the end we go sort k log k. We sort those elements by the index, and then we do that to the output. The number of the element there is like k. For the polling, so k log k and k log k. So this is the time complexity. Space complexity. So here for the heap we're gonna have k. K for the queue. The output again k. Sorted and yeah. So the space of k time O n log k plus k log k. because k is on of the order of magnitude less than n, less or equal, so we can just do the 2n log k, and it means like constant, and just n log k. Mm. And this operation n log k happens because I have this heap, and I always push element into the heap, and I check if the heap size is greater than k. I need to remove the minimal element there. Mm. So how this solution can be improved? The question is. I feel that if I gonna have max sequence, so I'm thinking right now anything like DP related. So if I gonna have the maximum sequence like in DP, gonna save the okay, don't have any ideas right now. Let's check what people are doing there. This quick quick find sounds kind of quick select, quick find, and for the top K. So this is understandable. So like he selects, like he does a quick select, and so he's able to like move the elements less than uh, like kind of he selects n minus k element. Okay, gonna wrap up here probably. So I managed to solve it within like 20 minutes, but there were some errors here and there. I didn't figure out that the order matters. Like I was saving the indexes of the original array for the elements, and I didn't catch that when. So I guess it's fail.